Pan Fried Chicken Momo is a very special version of the regular dumplings or momos. The sauce is little spicy and little tangy that gives a good punch in your mouth with every bite. Hello viewers, myself Shuparna. Welcome to Simply Food. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel. So let's see what we'll need to make these yummy momos. Minced chicken, finely chopped onion, chopped carrot, white portion of spring onion, blanched green peas, chopped spring onion, green chilies, chopped ginger and garlic, chopped coriander leaves, green chili sauce, tomato ketchup, soy sauce, red chili powder, garam masala powder, black pepper powder, salt, butter and white oil. Let's start our cooking by making the stuffing for the momos. Take 200 gram of minced chicken into a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon chopped garlic, 2 teaspoon chopped onion, 2 teaspoon chopped spring onion, half cup of chopped carrot, one-fourth cup of blanched green peas, 1 teaspoon chopped ginger and handful of chopped coriander leaves, half teaspoon black pepper powder, salt to taste, pinch of garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce and a cube of butter. Now mix all the ingredients with the minced chicken. All the vegetables you take, you should chop them very finely, especially the ginger and garlic. Add 1 teaspoon white oil. Mix it and rest for 30 minutes in the refrigerator. You can also check my steamed momo recipe by clicking on the I button on the upper right hand corner where I shown how to make momo dough and momo sheet. You can also check my momo soup recipe. I'll give the link in the description box. Now take a momo sheet, add spoonful of stuffing on the middle and wrapping it. Fold it from middle, then give a pleat from right side, after that from left side. Patch those ends together, just keep doing it as I'm doing. Patch the ends together. On a steamer, steam the momos for about 8 to 10 minutes or cook them 80%. For my vegetarian viewers, you can add grated cauliflower and grated paneer or soya granules instead of chicken mince. Now you can see momos are 80% done, rest 20% will be done while pan frying. Let's make the sauce of the momos. Add 1 teaspoon oil into the hot oil and 1.5 teaspoon chopped garlic. Saute it. Add chopped white portion of spring onion. Fry for a while. This recipe is requested by Palavika Ganguly, Nisha Mehta and Straponi Konar. When the onions are little soft, add chopped green chilies. Give a quick stir. Now add 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup. 2 teaspoons green chili sauce, keep mixing it. Add 1.5 teaspoons dark soy sauce. Mix it. Add salt and sugar and black pepper powder. Mix nicely but add less salt as you taste. Now add steamed momos. Give a light stir as they're soft. Nicely coat the momos with the sauce. Sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. And your delicious pan-fried momos are ready. Doesn't it look so tempting? I just can't resist myself to dig in. So make this yummy pan-fried momos at your home and tell us how it turned out. So that's it for today's video. Stay tuned for something special on next Wednesday. Please like this recipe and share this recipe and definitely subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.